What's going on, guys? This is Kobe with Sample Source, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a little known strategy for selling beat packs, and this is going to be very interesting. I actually took this tip from Simon Servitas from his channel and what he teaches to other producers, so super excited to get into this video. Okay, so before I jump in, I want to let you guys know that I have a free Instagram sales training. This training is everything I know about selling beats online and how I scale my business past $3,700 a month. And I wanted to share that with you in one concise video. It's about 30 minutes long. So if you go to the link in the description, you can go and watch that video. It's on demand, so there's no timer limit or anything. So you can just jump into it and watch it and learn everything that I know. So hopefully that's beneficial to you guys. The link is in the description. So this trick is basically, instead of selling sample packs through Shopify or through Sellfy or Beatstars, you can actually go and use the Beatstars platform to sell them as individual samples instead of a sample pack. And the cool thing about this is you can upload them as a regular beat, and whenever other producers see them, they'll actually go and check them out and buy them. So I'll show you some proof of this real quick. You can see that I have several sales here that I have gotten, and they usually range from $5 to $10. You can see this is $10 and it's for stem trackouts. So basically the two options that I was offering is $5 for the master file and $10 for the stem trackouts. And as a producer, if you want to manipulate sound, then you probably don't want just the master. You would probably want the stem trackout. So it's a super easy upsell, and $10 for one sample. You can see how that money can add up if you really build this up. So like I said, I stole this from Simon Servitas. So let me show a quick example of why he decided to use this business model.
Let's say we have a sample pack, it's $30 and we get 20 loops. Now, anytime I would buy that, I'm never using every single loop in the pack. It could be that loop is specifically not my style, or I just plain don't like it. But to me, it feels like I'm not getting my money's worth. And I feel like other producers would get that feeling as well, especially for my kits, because I like to move around in different genres. Now, I think the best way to move forward is to stop selling it in packs and start selling them individually.
Okay, so as you can see, he kind of reverse engineered his process, and that is why I decided to try this out, and it actually does work. So if you make really dope samples, most of the people on Beatstars are producers anyways, probably around 75%. So why would you not try to use this method if you already are a sample maker and you're looking to sell sample packs? So the other cool thing about this strategy, and I know this is a super short video, but I think it's really beneficial for you, is that you can actually promote these through Beatstars promo, and it's going to go to more of your target demographic than it would if you were selling beats online and using Beatstars promo. The reason for this is, like I said earlier, there's more producers on here anyways, and there's no way to actually segment who you're targeting through Beatstars promo. So you know it's going to go to producers. If you upload it as a sample pack through Beatstars, they don't let you promote it, which kind of sucks, but you can actually upload them as individual files and then use Beatstars promo on them. So I actually haven't tested that out yet, but I think that that's something that is worth trying out for sure. So hopefully this video is beneficial to you. You can see I made a couple $100 this way. So if you want to really build this up, you could probably earn a lot more than I have, since I really only did this for a couple months. Okay, so hopefully that video helps out. If it did, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't checked it out already and it's your first time on the channel, I have that free Instagram sales training below that teaches you how I scaled my business up to almost $4,000 from one source of income. And it also shows you how I earn over $1,000 a month passively as well. So make sure you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.